Hello everyone, this is Paul Perez, Chief PT here at PA Perez Physio. This video is intended for all our patients out there as part of your home exercise program. I know that most of you are at home today because of the quarantine. This is the best way for us to extend our help to you. So the first case that we are going to tackle for today are for our patients who are suffering from neck pain. Alright, so the whole home program is divided into three parts. The first part is a warm-up session. Second part is something to do with flexibility and stretching and soft tissue mobilization. And the third part is something to do with muscle activation. Now listen up. It's very important to remember that you should apply a hot pack on the neck area before you start the warm-up routine. So let's get started. Alright, so for our first warm-up exercise, we're going to start off by activating the muscles of the upper back and not the neck. This is to make sure that we are activating the surrounding muscles around the neck area. So the first set of exercise I'm going to teach you is for your rhomboid squeezes. So the patient or you are supposed to be lying on your belly in prone position. Now, after that, you're going to raise your arm up, just like that, and then down. You're going to do that 10 repetitions until you're done with first set, and then do another set for another 10 repetitions. Okay, the second type of exercise you're going to do, you put the arms on your sides. This is for your arm turns. So what you're going to do is you're going to lift and turn your arm up and down. Again, turn up and down. You do this again for 10 times for 2 sets. That is for our warm-up exercise. So now we're going to begin our stretching and mobilization technique for our exercise at home. We're going to stretch and mobilize this small muscle right around this area here. Alright? So the first thing that you need to do is to use this hand to hold on to the edge of the table or the chair on the same side on the muscle you want to stretch. The next thing that you need to do is to turn your head to the opposite side of the muscle you want to stretch. Number 3, using the other hand, I want you to hold on top of your head there, just like that. And then I want you to lean towards the other side. And as you lean, I want you to pull your head down and away from the muscle you want to stretch. So the muscle you're stretching right now is this muscle here. The next thing is we're going to stretch this particular muscle over here. So listen for the steps, alright? The first thing that is to move this arm behind the back, just like that, on the same side of this muscle that you want to stretch. Step 2, turn the head towards the side on which the muscle you want to stretch, so on this side. Step number 3, put your hand up and hold it on top of the head. And step number 4, is to push down using this shoulder and to pull towards the opposite side, and you will feel a stretching sensation on this muscle over here. Alright, so the next step for our home exercise program for the neck is the activation of your muscles, specifically the deep muscles of the neck and some of the weak muscles of the upper back. Okay, so the first set of activation exercise that you can do at home is what we call the chin tucks. So this exercise is to activate the deep muscles of the neck right around here. Okay, so the first thing is to tuck in your chin. Can you tuck in your chin? Okay, so you see Erica tucking her chin and relax. Alright, and then tuck in the chin again. So this is the type of movement that Erica is doing. And relax. Okay, so you do that for 7 seconds, hold for 10 repetitions. So again, tuck in your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then relax. Okay, so for feedback, you can add a towel which you can put just behind the neck so that you'll be able to know if the movement that you're doing is correct. So again, tuck in your chin and hold for 7 seconds. Okay, so the second set of exercises that we're going to let you do at home is your towel pulls. Now, this is to activate this muscle over here, which is usually weak if you have neck issues. Okay, so Erica is going to lie down in supine position and then hold a towel just like this. Second step is to pull the towel apart from each other. This is to activate now the muscles at the back. She's going to hold that for 7 seconds and do 10 repetitions of the exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relax.